Welcome. In this video, we're going to be going over what should happen if you are met with a bug in the platform. We can go and navigate over our user icon and click on Send Feedback under the quick menu. With our feedback form now open, we can use this to submit either new features we might want to see. I want more colors. Or if you have any trading related issues, ensure that you have this check marked on and describing what had happened. For instance, let's say I had no stops attached to a bracket. Once you are completely done and have detailed your problem, please click on Submit and be met with our feedback has been sent confirmation. And that will complete how you utilize our feedback form. If you'd like to learn more about navigating the platform, feel free to go onto tradrr.com/resources or within our YouTube playlists. Thank you.